Alright guys, welcome back. So in this video we're going to go through the plugins that we will need for creating the clone. So if you go into your terminal, and first of all we're going to be using Vuex, we're going to be using the router plugin, and we're also going to be using VueTube. So if you just do view add VueTube, and then that should install VueTube. And VueTube is a CSS library that uses material design, and we're going to do default. And you should see there should be a plugins folder created for you, and VueTube should be set up right there. So we also need view add router, because for some reason it didn't. Okay, yeah. So we need router as well. And let's click yes for history mode, and that should create a router folder with an index.js that has all the routes. And we should also do view Vuex. So Vuex is a state management library. We probably won't be needing it, but we'll install it anyways, just in case we do need it. Okay, almost done. And there's the store, so that should have our default state index.js and stuff. So if we do npm serve, npm serve, if you compare this to a regular Vue.js app without VueTube, it should look different. And I'll show you now. So this is what it looks like without VueTube. And then if we open it up again, I'm going to refresh. Okay, so that looks a little bit different than it should. Alright guys, so apparently I installed the plugins in the incorrect order. So you're supposed to install router first, and then VueTube, and then Vuex. Otherwise you'll get that broken page. Instead it should look like this. So before it was green and now it's blue, so you know VueTube is working, and because you have all this stuff here. So yeah, make sure you install the router first, and then install VueTube, and then install or add Vuex, and then you should see in your app.vue you should have this vapp bar, which is basically at the top here, and then you have your store, and then your router, and then you have VueTube, and yeah, pretty much all of this is set up. And in the next video we'll probably start with doing the nav bar at first, and then we'll work our way doing the drawer with the collapsing, and another thing is that, as you can see, when you're playing a video, and if you click on the hamburger here, the state of the navigation drawer is different, so we're going to implement that as well, because it's different here. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.